Okay, very good morning to everyone. Selamat pagi kepada semua. Hari ini, today is 29th September 2021, Wednesday. Okay, topik kita hari ini actually part 1 on immediate therapies. Okay, immediate therapies part 1. Because ramai yang call saya tanya, asking about what to do for this, what to do for that, immediate effect. So today we will go on with the immediate effect therapies that using a natural treatment as a holistic. Okay, so this will benefited. I think a lot of people. Last time I've done this one in Kuching event. Okay, in a Kuching event we have done this, and I found this very interesting. So this is part 1. So maybe next session I can go to part 2. So every part kita ada immediate remedies that can help you in what you call in that head hoc possibilities. That means suddenly you got something, then you don't know, you know what to do. You ada product, you bagi saja anak-anak you ke atau you punya own self, you can use it for yourself. Okay, it's a very powerful remedies that been treated, and we can see the effectivity. So that's why I put into the list. Then I will pass it to you all. So make sure you all keep that remedies and immediately use it whenever there's a head hoc basis symptoms coming to you, and you can use it. Okay, untuk you punya keluarga and also your friends' immediate reactions. Okay, let me. Boleh nampak? Can see the slides,
Boleh, Dok.
Okay, good. So today our topic is effective of Ganoderma and also immediate remedies for small symptoms that appear in a house. Okay, so you don't need to go clinic, all these things, go into your hospital, all in not necessary. You take the remedies, you see the effectiveness. If it's getting better, okay, you don't need to go clinic, hospital lah. If it keep on going on, then you might go to the hospital to further analysis. Otherwise, things will become better already. Okay, the first things we will see a benefit on Ganoderma. What are the main benefit of Ganoderma? Provides more energy and vigor. Okay, the second one will boost stamina. Okay, boost stamina, less fatigues. Okay, regenerates all the cells back to normal. Clearer the skin because it supports the nutrition to the skin. Oxygenated the body because it supports the oxygen, okay, and it can oxygenate the body by the what you call one of the organic germanium that contains in the Ganoderma. Natural detoxification, it can remove all the water soluble and non-water soluble toxic that stuck into the system that not go out. So water soluble and non-water soluble toxic can come from your food, from the drug contained or medication, drugs medication you take, chemicals, foods, from water, from pollutions, everything is enter the body but not going out. This is the called toxic. So it end up will weaken the system, and Ganoderma has the benefit to remove all these water soluble and non-water soluble toxication from the body. Okay. The next one, mental alertness. When the oxygen is boosted up, you feel more alert. Support the immune system to make sure your immune system up to date. Improve body healing capacity. The moment there's a wound or damages happen into the cells, tissue, organs, system, it start to healing very fast. That's why we can using as a healer. Support quality of sleep, because when the body is getting better and the cells are getting improved, and naturally you will get your sleep back. Support circulation. This is the blood circulation that's very important to supply nutrition and oxygen towards all the cell in our body. Okay, every cells in our body need oxygen, nutrition, water, and some sort of vitamins, minerals, amino acid, micronutrient, macronutrient, natural carotenoids, natural pigments, all these things is very, very important to our body cells to make sure the body cells are working fine. When the cell level is working fine, your cell connected to the tissue, your tissue level will getting fine. Then the tissue connected become organs, your organ levels become fine. The connected organs will connect into system, your system working fine, and all the system combined, you become a human. So your human become better. So the body become better. That is a human body. So you live in a healthy way. Okay, when you see benefit of Ganoderma, this is a part and partial of the positiveness on Ganoderma based on 4,000 years of Chinese natural medicine research. Okay, when you take Ganoderma, okay, it has much vegetable protein than 1 pound of legumes, 15 times more magnesium than a piece of broccoli, 7 times more vitamin C than an orange, 6 times more calcium than a glass of milk, 3 times more iron than spinach, 3 times more antioxidant than blackcurrant, 8 times more omega-3 fatty acid than the whole salmon. See, that's why Ganoderma, they put it under king of herbs. Nobody can tell anything about this because this king of herbs is already certified into the ancient medicine books. If somebody come back and see, oh, I have created, I know this product, any product they come and they say that is king of herbs. No, you go to Google, a Google Guru, very simple. You just type king of herbs. You will see Ganoderma will appear there. You see who's the richest person in the world, then the richest person will coming in Google. You see which is the what you call larger country in the world, I can see. You see, everything can be Googleized. And if the fact is not correct, they will remove it. Okay, so this has been declared as a king of herbs. Why? Because it has more than 400 natural herbs, natural, not 400 natural nutrients, okay, that can help the human body that work one-to-one with the cells. That's why we call it king of herbs. It's been used more than 4,000 years in the Chinese natural medicine. And from Dynasty Han, you can see the Ganoderma utilization is very, very highly utilized. So that's why Ganoderma playing a big role in a human defense system. Okay, human defense system. Okay. So what it can support? It can support anti-aging. Okay. Many studies demonstrate that ability to receive polysaccharide to restore all level of IL-2 production that become inhibited of aging. Okay. So IL-2 is one of the level productions. Okay. Then support liver function. Reishi may help support liver function and help waste and toxic elimination in the body. Because liver is the main organs to eliminate. Okay, to eliminate what? Non-water soluble toxin in a body. If your liver fail, the toxin removal, non-water soluble toxin removal will stay in our system. You eat medicine, you need Panadol, everything will be stored inside your body. Every day you are taking diabetes pill, insulin, everything, okay, will be installed in your body, in your cell, in your organs. So who need to clean it? The liver need to clean it up. So who is helping to the liver to clean it up? Ganoderma will help it to clean it up. That's why long term of taking Ganoderma will make sure our liver is getting better. So many people telling that, oh, taking herbs will spoil liver. Not the herbs they are talking about. We are talking about king of herbs that protect the liver. It's been proven more than 4,000 research papers. You can go Google Scholar and you can research yourself that this is true or not. Okay, everything is supported by a lot of universities, a lot of research centers from Taiwan, Japan, US, UK, Africa. You can see that how powerful is the Ganoderma to support the liver. Okay, in a modern medication, doctors, sometimes they don't aware on this. So it's our job to let them know, to bring the printout paper and show them the research paper that it supports the liver. because India study, they won't study on the nature. India study, their barrier is to understand about the modern medication system. And they are worried about these herbs can damage, they can counter effect the current allopathic system. But in reality, Ganoderma will help together with the current modern medication system. That's why we call holistic is an integrated medication system. They can support together. Okay, and you can see support against allergies. So the more and more this toxin has been removed from the system, you can see the allergies start to reduce little bit by little bit and support immunity. Okay, so the immunity power will be increased. So the important is to remove toxin, balance the system, nutritionize the cells, because the contains of Ganoderma is more than 400 nutrition, okay, that can help penetrate towards the system. And in normally we are talking about little bit of nutrition. Some products in the market, there will be little bit of thing. They cannot fight any Ganoderma. Okay, in terms of ORAC capacity, okay, oxygen radiated, ORAC is oxygen radiated absorption capacity. Okay, Ganoderma have more than 8,000, okay, level of the capacity, highest in the world of herbs, highest in the world of herbs. Okay, okay, now we see some of the immediate effect that you can utilize when impact is happened to you all. Okay, let's say when you have bone fracture. So what are the things you can add in? What are the solutions? What are the concoction you can practice? Okay, you can take codipine 10 ml, GL powder 1 scoop, pearl powder half quarter scoop, Hong tea powder half scoop, morinzyme 10 ml scoop mixed with 1 glass of warm water, drink 3 times daily. Then spirulina, take 5 tablets 3 times daily. Okay, this concoction is very powerful for bone fracture and also any operation done in your body. After operation, any operation, okay, any surgical in the body, doesn't care it is because of a cancer or because of the fracture or because of the crack. Okay, so anything you can take this concoction to clear the problem as soon as possible. So you can see the the healing is very, very fast. I have so many patients that accident. Given the solution in 1 to 2 weeks, I can see marvelous changes. Even the doctors also shocked. How come within 2 weeks the bone can heal so faster? Okay, so fast. Okay, it can be taken more. Okay, it doesn't matter. So what are the dosage I give you is the minimum dosages that you can practice. Okay, if you want to increase the dosages, it doesn't matter because it won't complicate it with your system because it's all under the food category. Next. Okay, let's say you have a persistent cough. Cough, we got so many types: persistent cough, single cough, multiple cough. Okay, cough that itchiness due to itchiness, cough that started because of your lungs is dry, and also cough has been created because your lung is wet. Okay, so there's so many criteria of cough happening, and infections, inflammations. This is all also can create it. Okay, so to solve this issue, you can take lignopine 10 ml, GL powder 1 scoop mixed with 50 ml warm water. Make it quite warm and hot. Okay, shake it and drink slowly. Then you take wild betel 5 tablets, suck 3 times daily. Black cumin 1 capsule 2 times daily. Okay, let's say you have very high cough, heavy cough, cannot stop. So what you do, the best is take Androgy, put in your mouth, just suck slowly for 10 minutes. After you suck slowly 10 minutes, when the Androgy mix with your saliva, you slowly swallow the saliva in. When you slowly swallow your saliva in, it starts to cleanse the throat okay, and also lung area. If any infection, it will cleanse it off. Okay, then also you can take lignosus syrup 10 ml, suck every 4 hours once. Okay, this is for the cough category. Okay, let's say you find some diarrhea or vomiting, suddenly food poisoning, or due to any reason, suddenly you are vomiting. Oh, you see you got diarrhea. It can happen anytime. It can happen to stomach upset. It also can happen to food poisoning. It also can happen some bacteria infection effect. So what you have to do, immediately take 20 ml of morinzyme, GL powder 1 scoop, okay, mix in a water. Okay, you don't mix, you can add in little bit of water only. Okay, make it pure. 20 ml thing, GL powder 1 scoop. Maybe you can add in like a 10 or 20 ml hot water, shake it and drink. Continues every 30 minutes for 3 hours. Okay, Androgy 1 capsule 3 times daily lah. Okay, after that, make the solution take 3 times daily enough. Let's say the first 3 hours, you clear all the vomiting, diarrhea, everything, bacteria, everything, you cleanse it off. After that, for 1 week, you just maintain the dosage for 3 times daily. Androgy also maintain 3 times daily. Okay, when you maintain that, you can see for the first 3 hours, your diarrhea, vomiting, everything will stop. Okay, this one we already tested so many people. Okay, very effective. Okay, let's say you have a skin eczema. Okay, you can give RGGL 1 capsule 3 times daily. And this RGGL slowly will be increased to 2 caps every 1 month. Each month, okay, for eczema, when you start to give RGGL for each month, you start to flare it up. Means that inside the eczema, that inside attack, it comes to outside. So when you keep on taking 1 RGGL, first month, second month increase to 2, third month increase 3, fourth month increase 4, fifth month increase 5, until the flare coming up and go down. So when the flare come out and go down, then you start to reduce it. Okay, Rosel tablet, Androgy, body form, Gano soap, Gano oil, you can use it every day lah. Okay, for sinus, sore throat, and any related nose throat issues. Okay, you can take black cumin 1 capsule 3 times daily, RGGL 1 capsule 3 times daily, Spirina 4 tablets 2 times daily, Zimico apply in the nose area and apply in a handkerchief and put near to your mouth, near to the nose, and slowly inhale the Zimico things. So by morning you see it will be okay already. Okay, so it's very powerful. Even though you have like blocked nose, you take that, you apply Zimico, you put the Zimico in a handkerchief, put near to your nose. You see tomorrow morning, okay, your blocked nose all disappeared. Tea tree cream can be used in daytime lah. Whenever you go outside, you can put little bit and apply to your nose area. Okay, for dengue, what you can do? When you have dengue, you have high fever. So for high fever, what is the best? Normally people put water. Okay, normally people take water, take cold water, they just squeeze the cloth, they apply. The best is mix the water with toothpaste, our Ganuzi toothpaste. Then squeeze it and put in your head. This is much effective. Okay. Then give them 2 GL capsule, mix with 20 ml rosal juice in 100 ml warm water. Drink every 1 hour. Keep on giving. While he sleep, don't wake up and sleep. And don't wake up. This solution can be given to any kind of viral fever or dengue fever. Okay, this will one day, 24 by 48 hours, your fever all will disappear. Okay, and also tested for the patient, COVID patient, that high fever, we give them 1 day, the fever disappeared. Okay, the next day we give RGGL, black cumin, everything to balance the COVID problem lah. So that's how we do it. Okay, so when he don't have heavy symptom like breathing difficulty, all these things, isolation happen, and taking all these things will improve their system. Then slowly after 67 days, it become negative ready. Okay, if you have heavy headache, Okay, suck two Roselle tablet every 1 hour. I don't recommend you take Panadol because Panadol is not very good. You can see like immediate effect, but in a long-term effect, is very dangerous for liver. Okay, worst case scenario, after you taking all these things, you still the pain never stop. Okay, then you can go for it. Other than that, don't simply go and touch the poison. Okay, don't touch the Panadol, everything. Okay, try naturally first. Okay, okay. So when you have headache, you still can use the Ganozi toothpaste mixed water applied to the head area. Okay, and also you can apply the cloth and you put under the armpit. Okay, because circulatory system, armpit is one of the circulatory system to the head area. You can put the Ganuzi toothpaste mixed water at the head area, at the neck area, at the armpit area. If you fever or headache, when you do that, you can see your headache is start to disappear. Okay, then GL2 capsule, 20 ml Marinzyme mix 1 glass of warm water, drink every 1 hour. Okay, once the headache reduce, increase the time lah. Maybe once you feel the headache is start to reduce, then no need 1 hour. So you slightly increase it to 2 hours, then 3 hours, then okay lah. Then you go back to normal dosage lah. You can still use Zimico, T3 cream, all you can use lah for the headache. Okay, sometimes some people's headaches is very bad, until they cannot wake up. So when you give this solution and also use the Ganozi toothpaste mixed water, wet the cloth, squeeze it, put in the neck area, shoulder neck area, head area, armpit area. Then you can see the heat, body heat will come down. Headache also due to body heat. Okay, remember that headache also due to body heat. So when you have headache, you reduce the body heat, you feel much better. Okay. Okay, now you can see wound cut. Okay, when you have wound cut, clean the wound using the Ganozi body foam. Clean it. Mix the Ganozi body foam in small water. Okay, take the cotton, just wet the foam, just clean the wound cleanly. Okay, then after you clean the wound, you just use the plain cloth, dry cloth. Just press the wound to make sure the wound is become dry. After dry, you put a RG powder onto it. Okay, RG powder on the open wound. So after you put RG powder, you just maintain it. You just saturated it accordingly. Okay, you just make it plain and you put all over area. Then you close using a gauze or gauze lah, using gauze. Okay, then if the dry wound, if the wound is already dry, you can see the wound healed ready, then you can start to apply the Gano oil. For oral intake, you can take spirulina, GL, codipine, and Androgy. This will increase your wound healing properties. It's high lah, okay? It's very high. You can take spirulina 5 tablet, GL 2 capsule 3 times, codipine 10 ml 3 times, then Androgy 1 capsule 3 times lah. So this will help you in balancing the wound cut, then make sure the wound cut is healing faster. Okay, now you have like stomach ache. Stomach ache also almost same as like diarrhea, vomiting. Okay, Morinzyme 20 ml, GL powder 1 scoop, drink every 30 minutes for 3 hours continuously, then take 1 Androgy, 1 capsule 3 times daily. This is the stomach ache. Okay, it's almost same like vomiting, what do you call vomiting, all these kind of things lah, vomiting or what do you call diarrhea lah, as I said. Okay, sometimes for ladies, they have a heavy menstrual overflow. So when they have period menses overflow, okay, non-stop, every day, like daily for 10 days, 15 days, okay, when you encounter this kind of patient, okay, immediately give them this solution. You take 400 ml warm water, okay, mix 30 ml of Morinzyme inside, GL powder 2 scoop inside, shake the bottle, okay, and give them to drink sip by sip, 7 a.m. to 12 noon 1 bottle, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. 1 bottle, 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. 1 bottle. So they must drink it sip by sip, finish it. So indirectly, the 1.2 liter water will 400 ml 3 times they will drink. I mean 1.2 ml water with Morinzyme and GL powder will go in. then they can see the menses overflow will start to reduce and stop. Okay, once stop, then they can take GL, spirulina, all these things to balance their uterus or whatever back to normal conditions. Okay, now you go for cataract and glaucoma. Okay, glaucoma will lead to high pressure in the eye area. Inside the eye, the pressure is high. Eye pressure is high, not the heart pressure, high pressure, eye. Okay, so what you can do, you can apply 1 drop of Gano oil, alternate daily or 1 week twice into the eye. Okay, you can take Monascus 1 capsule 3 times, RGGL 1 capsule 3 times each, spirulina 5 tablets 2 times, Ongti capsule you can take 1 capsule 3 times. So this for oral intake. Then slowly you can see if mild cataract will slowly improve. Glaucoma mild we can improve. Mild to medium we can improve. When it become high, okay, for glaucoma pressure you can drop it by putting a Gano oil. But if it become worse or bleed, then you need to do further surgical or whatever lah. For cataract, if it's too late, it become all whiter, you cannot see at all, then I suggest better you go and do the cataract operation. Okay, because you must do it earlier stages, not at the last stages. It's very hard. Okay. Sometimes when born baby, then normally we can hear, oh, baby got jaundice. Okay. So when the baby got jaundice, what you should do? You can take the mother milk, 10 ml, you mix 1 capsule GL and give the baby to drink. Okay. Or if you don't have mother's milk, you can still using a powder milk. Okay, mix it like 10 ml in a 10 ml of warm water. 1 capsule you put inside, then give the baby. So you can give 3 times daily. No need to worry at all on GL. GL is very, very safe for babies. It's been tested so many years, 27 years it's been tested with GL. Okay. And the mother who feeding the mother's milk to the baby need to take RG, GL, spirulina and codipine because it will mix in the mother's blood. Then from the blood, it can start to produce the milk. So the milk is already combined with all this nutrition and supplied to the baby. So the baby jaundice will very fast will drop. Okay, very fast will drop. I've treated so many babies. Okay, even the worst case of jaundice, we have treated. Okay, even the doctor say, oh, this one too late ready, you cannot do anything, but we have treated. Okay, in our modern medication, they have a certain limitation on that mode. They are very scared to predict, so they just put in a light, blue light. So that is not enough actually. Okay. Okay, like for hair drop and promote hair growth, this solution you can take. You can use Ganozi toothpaste mixed with Ganozi shampoo. Okay, and massage the scalp. Put a little bit of water, wet the scalp. Okay, wet the scalp. Put the shampoo and the toothpaste mix. Just do the massage. Okay, after the massage, close it for 10 minutes. Then you cleanse it. It will really improve for the dandruff part. Really improve for the dandruff and also promote opening the spore. When the spore is start to open, then only the hair can grow. If the spore is cannot open, then the hair won't grow. And second thing, don't ever use your nail to scrub your scalp. Don't ever do that. Using nail scrub at the scalp will make the spore to close, and you make the hair damaged because your nail is actually like a knife, so it can create some damages in the hair. That also the hair can be spoiled. Okay, and you can apply Gano oil in the scalp every day. Okay, you use your palm. Okay, you just touch the oil in the palm, in your 5 fingers palm, then just apply and tap into your hair scalp. Then slowly, it's like you're fertilizing the hair scalp. So the spores getting oil. So when you start to get the spores with the Gano oil, you can see the spores become more healthier. That means you are fertilizing the tree. The hair is like a tree. Okay, so you fertilizing the root. So once you start to fertilizing the root, the hair growth that coming out will be more stronger and stronger. Then it will reduce the hair drop. Okay, then you give them spirulina more, 5 tablets 3 times daily, Roselle tablet 2 times daily, RGGL 1 capsule each for 3 times daily. Okay, maintain that. You still can drink Morinzi, Morinzyme, Codipine, all these things you can add in, no problem. Okay. Okay, then this is our toothpaste. Okay, our toothpaste have so much of reasons. You can use for athlete's foods. Yeah, athlete's foods is like a lot of smell. There are a lot of people get a smell athlete's food. They call it when they open shoe, people cannot sleep there. So you can give the Ganoderma toothpaste every day, make it mix with the water, apply to the leg and wash. Okay, then you can see the athletic food smell, the chemical. Actually, it's a chemical toxin from the body come down to the leg and it becomes sweat. And sweat stick in the cells on the leg. So when they wear shoe, it becomes bacteria infections. So when they open the shoe, all the infection come out lah. You can smell like dead fish. Okay. So the toothpaste actually they can mix with water, they can wash their leg, everything, and ask them to put their shoe under the sun, heat under the sun. And you can also apply the Ganoderma toothpaste when you have hemorrhoids outside. Sometimes the anus will come out. So you can use the Ganoderma toothpaste, apply and push inside. So you can use for dandruffs. You can repair the animals, teeth animal. Okay, you can apply it whenever you feel the gum swollen, gum pain, all these things you can apply it. Reduce saliva acidity when you brush your teeth in the morning. Neutralize mouth pH level. That's why it's very good. Okay, protection against cavities is also used for protection cavities because you don't have fluoride, all these kind of chemicals. Okay, so the Ganoderma toothpaste is very, very good. It's not only for mouth utilization, it also a lot of other utilization. And recently, I have one case, there's the baby, there's a splash of oil when hit the sunlight. When the mother is cooking, the sun coming in, it start to splash and it hit the hand of the son. So immediately they take the Ganoderma toothpaste. You see, that time they only have the mind to put the Ganoderma toothpaste. So they put the toothpaste. After 10 to 20 minutes, they don't see anything like blister coming out. So it's like disappear completely. Why? Because Ganoderma toothpaste have the coolant effect. Okay, because it has a mint. Mint is a coolant effect. So when the heat is attacked, so when the heat oil will attack the first layer of the skin, it's like burning, the heat will burn. When it burns, it start to burn the first layer, second layer, third layer. That's why they call it first degree burn, second degree burn, third degree burn. That means it's already attacked the first layer, second layer, third layer. Why? Because the heat from the top will start to penetrate in. But the moment you put the Ganoderma toothpaste, it sucks the heat out. So it stopped in the first layer. It never penetrates the heat, the oil heat to attack the second layer. So this is, you must do it very fast. That's why I always encourage Ganoderma toothpaste, Gano oil is a must to keep in the kitchen area. Because we don't know what happened immediately. Suddenly you are cooking, suddenly the oil splash. So you take the Ganoderma toothpaste or Gano oil, apply. So immediate effect is Ganoderma. Later part, you can apply a Gano oil. Okay, all these things are very, very small, minor things that you can keep inside your house. Immediate effect things that can help you not to go back very bad situation. It will help you in very fast, effective ways. Okay, so this is today's topic under part 1. We will continue sharing on part 2, part 3, there's a lot of things I need to share, but we go all base by base. Okay, otherwise it take too long time. You are bored already. So we make it simple, maybe in 15 slide, small remedies, then continues with the part 2, a little bit small remedies, and slowly we will discuss one disease by one disease. So this will help you for immediate effect in your house, that you can utilize it as fast as possible before the things getting worse. Okay, clear? So any questions from the group? So open to the floor.
Any question? Soalan pertama. Is Rita around? Rita not around.
Oh, today is busy. Good. Okay, for time to time, I will share you one by one remedies because I got a lot of remedies. So these remedies all you can start to understand, start to practice in your house because this is very cost effective ways that immediately you can solve it with nature. No need to go hospital and stuck in there. You see somebody, some small cut, you go hospital, you go clinic, they will say go hospital, you go hospital, they will take few hours waiting. In that time, your wound already infected already. And so many things, some people going like stomach pain, going to clinic, so many queue in the clinic. Before it getting worse, you can use the stimulation, the concoction that I prescribed to you. Because all the concoction that I prescribed to you is already tested in 17 years in my solutions. So it's not 1 day, 2 days, just taro like that, I know it's already tested and verified. And it really works. So I want you all to understand that and use it wisely. You can help a lot of people because a lot of people have this kind of small things every day. A lot of people keep on WhatsApp me, why this thing problem, doctor, what? So I send the same message and keep on sending the same message. Okay, so you all need to understand it and utilize it perfectly. Okay, so my question already answered before start to talk. Okay, they already answered today. Okay, no question from me. So if we have no questions today, I think today is very early, very short. It's just one hour topic. We don't need to take so much time. At least you all have clear-cut topics and solutions for you to undertake it and utilize it. Okay. So if no questions anymore, I think we can stop the event today and we will meet up the next event. Selina, the next will be?
2 weeks from now. Let me check the date.
6th October.
13th of October.
Yeah, 13th of October. 13th of October. So in 13th of October, I will share another part 2. Okay. So we will go little bit by little bit. So you all have a proper understanding how to utilize all the small concoction in an immediate effect. But in a later going on part 3, part 4, we will go more powerful diseases. We can talk concoction for cancer, what type of cancers, all this concoction I will give. Okay, first month, second month, third month. So you will get more ideas slowly. You learn slowly. So in the same time, you will have a product ideas and also how to treat ideas. Okay. Thank you for today's things. And
you can off your recording, Dr.
yeah, I will stop the